Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Quizlet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Quizlet application on your device, and once you open it up, make sure that you are logged into your account that you wish to delete by using your email address and your password or your social accounts. After logging in, you will be taken into the home page. Now, in order to delete your account, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, which will take you into your profile page. From here, tap on your settings, and now scroll all the way down and you will see the delete account button. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be asked to enter your password to confirm your identity. Just type in your account password within the given password box and then tap on continue at the top right corner. After this, you will find one last warning asking you whether you are sure that you want to delete your account. After you provide your confirmation within this page, your account will be scheduled for deletion and you will be logged out from your Quizlet account. After this, make sure not to log back in for another month in order to ensure your account's permanent deletion. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on the Quizlet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.